3 best credit cards in the USA for new immigrants. In this video, you're about to learn about the 3 best credit cards in the US, tailored for new immigrants based on accessibility, credit building effectiveness, and real user feedback, so you can begin establishing credit the smart way. This video is for informational and opinion purposes only. Thinking about getting your first credit card in the US without a social security number or previous credit history, it can feel overwhelming. But these 3 cards make it possible to start building credit, earn rewards, and establish financial stability. I'll count down from the third to the top pick, with abundant detail on each. 3. Petal 2 Visa Credit Card. Petal 2 is designed for people with little or no US credit history. Approval doesn't rely solely on credit score. Instead, it reviews income, expenses, savings, and banking history. That makes it accessible for immigrants who have an ITIN or steady deposits but no prior US credit file. Users earn up to 1.5% cashback on purchases, and there's no annual fee. Cardholders report that it feels straightforward and helps them build credit reliably through consistent monthly reporting. 2. Capital One Quicksilver Secure Cash Rewards Card. This secure card is particularly immigrant-friendly. You deposit collateral, then qualify using an ITIN rather than needing an SSN. It carries no annual fee and offers 1.5% cashback on purchases. Many newcomers find approval straightforward once they meet age and address requirements. You can gradually build credit and upgrade later. Users often recommend it as a dependable way to begin from scratch. 1. Zolve Classic Credit Card. Zolve Classic is built specifically for internationals, including immigrants and students, and permits applications without a social security number or prior US credit history. There's no required deposit and no annual fee. The card reports to all 3 major bureaus, and though its cashback rewards are modest, users report quick onboarding and consistent credit reporting. For newcomers with limited options, it's often the most straightforward path to US credit access. Why these 3 stand out for new immigrants? All accept applicants without a US credit history or SSN, using ITIN, passport, or visa documentation instead. They report activity to credit bureaus monthly, helping build a credit file steadily. They offer cashback or rewards even while you're establishing credit and have minimal or no annual fees. Each card has built-in upgrade paths or clear progression toward unsecured products over time. Tips to build credit effectively. Get an ITIN if you don't have an SSN. This makes applying much easier and is widely accepted for card approval. Use your card monthly but never exceed about 30% of your credit limit to maintain a healthy utilization ratio. Pay your statement in full each month. Responsible on-time payments accelerate positive scoring. After 6 months to a year of good history, explore upgrading to an unsecured card from the same issuer, often with better rewards or higher limit potential. What real users say. One Reddit user reported success with the Capital One Secure Cash Rewards card as a bridge to unsecured cards. Others highlight Petal 2's approval flexibility even without SSN, and Zolve Z's for internationals. Many say these cards were the only options they could access upon arrival, yet helped them build a credit score capable of unlocking more financial tools. Final summary. Choose Zolve Classic if you're new to US credit, want application with just passport or ITIN, and want reporting to all bureaus. Opt for Capital One Quicksilver Secure if you're ready to deposit collateral, want cashback rewards, and plan to upgrade in time. Go for Petal 2 Visa if you have banking data or financial history, income and expense documentation, and want a secure, low ED starter card. These 3 cards provide accessible pathways for immigrants to begin building credit, earn rewards, and eventually qualify for unsecured cards. Starting early and using cards responsibly lays the foundation for financial life in the US. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.